If I build a castle, could you be the knight to save me from dragons, keep them out of sight? I'd give you some shelter, a bed and a room. We conquer the world and save the people from doom. If I build a castle, if I was a princess, could you be my prince? We'd dance with each other, no one to convince. We were made to be together, a bride and a groom. I dressed to impress you, put on sweet perfume. If I was a princess, if I was a dealer, could you be my drug? You would want me forever, no one else that could love you that immensely. I would need you to live. Forget about morals, our God can forgive. If I was a dealer,